If you want to add Fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you want to go to Lock Screen and AOD. After that, you should be able to find Screen Lock and Biometrics, so let's go ahead and select this option, and then we're gonna enter our password to continue. If you don't have a password, you will have to set it up first before you can set up the fingerprint sensor. So we're gonna tap on Fingerprints now, tap on Continue, and now over here we have the information about the fingerprint registration. We're gonna tap on Register, and the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button over here. So what you need to do is you want to touch the finger touch the sensor with your finger, and then you want to slide it around. Just move it around just like that. If you want to, you can lift your finger and then touch it again. And you just have to keep doing that until you reach 100%. There we go. Try to position your finger in such a way that you will scan every part of that finger that you want to use later on to unlock your phone, from every angle, from every position, and so on and so forth. Of course, if you want to, you can keep adding more and more fingerprints if you wish to do so. You can also test your fingerprint sensor now, so just touch it, and then we can tap on Done. Keep in mind that you can, well, maybe not can, but you have to only touch the button, you don't have to press it. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.